Okay. Ah, yes! Today you will learn 1, 2, 3 different low kicks and how to defend against each one. Check it out. What's up, I'm Jesse from karatebyjesse.com, aka the Karate Nerd, and today I'm joined by my brother Oliver, professional MMA fighter and karate black belt. So we have 3 types of low kicks, each at a different distance, and they all use different parts of the shin and different angles. And we're gonna use the lower part of the shin. If I throw a round kick and he throws a straight punch, he might clip me with this one. So I take this step at an angle. If we would draw a line from his toe straight forward, I would step outside of this line and chop from upwards and down. Okay. This gives me a good angle for my next attack. The best defense is your footwork. I can touch or stop him with this hand. So 1, 2. Low kick number 2. This is from a medium type of distance. The force will go through my middle part of the shin. We rotate, and remember, he has his hands at this distance, so you can't pull your arms down when you kick. I turn my heel 90 degrees or even more. And now we're gonna defend this kick. So we're a little too close. He's probably gonna clip my leg on the way trying to move, right? A better alternative would be to check his low kick. And by checking, I mean simply turning my shin out so he hits the hardest part on my shin, or even possibly worse for him, my knee. The earlier you can block it, the better. And remember, as soon as you put your foot down, you should throw a counter or move out. The third and last low kick we're gonna do is what we call a stiff leg low kick. And now we can use the upper part. When you flex your foot, this bone here becomes a little more exposed. And just throw the leg from the hip, not from the knee, so the whole leg moves in one motion, aiming at this shoulder almost. And it doesn't sound much, but believe me, this is the nastiest one of them all. Yeah, this one can be pretty fast and hard to see because you don't see any turning of the shoulders or the hips. So as I see he move towards me, I step in. There could be an elbow or a straight right, but take this step and keep going. Maybe even go for a takedown. Boom, that's it. Just run him through. Awesome. Now that we know these low kick tips, do you have any final piece of advice to everybody out there? You can actually forget everything I said just. What? If you know the one low kick to rule them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm ready! Yeah! And that's it for today's video. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to fix a broken leg.